welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jessie and I do subscription unboxings and essential oil informational videos. Today I want to unbox the Spiritu box. It's a box curated by Latina artisans and entrepreneurs, so you know that whichever box you're getting, you're supporting the Latina community. And this month, this box is a quarterly box, and I have the summer box here. It's usually $39.99 per quarter, and I actually got it at the end of summer for a deal for only, it was 50% off, so it was about $20. I don't know if they're going to have that deal. I think it was just because it was my first box with them, so I'm really excited, and let's get into this box. I'm really happy. As you can see, the box, the artwork is beautiful. I'll just show you the box real quick. And my post office didn't even really bang it up, just a little crack. So let's see what's inside. When we open it up, we see this beautiful artwork on the inside cover of the box, Spiritu. And if you guys catch me saying espiritu instead, that would be because espiritu in Spanish means spirit. So if I end up messing that up, I'll warn you now, that may happen. Alright, here's what we see when we open up the box. Basically, this is called the summer box, and it says who it was designed by, so I'll give you a quick synopsis. It was designed by a Puerto Rican artist, Barbie Bergoni, and is filled with over $135 of beauty, lifestyle, and artisanal products from some of their favorite brands. And it gives more information about Barbie, and you can follow her on Instagram. So just know every month, every quarter when you buy this, you're really supporting and empowering Latina entrepreneurs, creators, and their community organizations. This box really spoke to me with their message, and maybe it was just because I minored in Spanish in college and studied it all in high school as well. I just love the cultural aspect of it. This is a guide that says what's inside the box, so let's not use that. Let's not get spoilers. If we need it, we'll come to it. Here's 25% off Murad. That's great. I'll check that out. And here's the tissue paper with the seal. Alright, this card, sourced from Mexico. It's basically saying that this little bag that we see here was handmade by an artisan from Chiapas, Mexico. It's really good quality. I really love the colors. The colors are nice and bright, vibrant. It's got these little tassels on the zipper. It's really cute. The inside is just a cloth. It does look like it's lined with a shiny material, but it's just, you could put really whatever you wanted to carry in this. It's very nice. It's very pretty. Wow. Next, I'm opening this Murad product. It's called Hydration, and I can't even get it into the camera. There we go. It's a refreshing cleanser. It removes impurities without over drying and helps soften the skin. This is a great size product. I'm gonna take a look at it on the inside and show you guys. Yeah, alright, it says it's got cucumber extract and Hawaiian white ginger in it. Let's see, there is no safety seal. I don't really smell anything. I'll put it on my hand and see if we notice a difference, but it is a cleanser, so it's meant to, obviously cleanse makeup and other impurities. Alright, I really love that smell. I don't know if you can see my hand. My hand's definitely a little bit shinier, but the smell is really perfect. It's just not overpowering at all. It's light and just very, very clean and nice. It does feel a little bit sticky, but hopefully once it's rubbed in, that stickiness will go away. And I was wrong, there was a safety seal inside the first cap. so that I smelled it much more, but it's not overpowering at all. I'm really, really happy. Here's gorgeous bottle packaging. Here's what it looks like. And for those of you who don't know, Murad is actually formulated by a dermatologist and pharmacist. He has a degree in both. Next, I see this gorgeous, gorgeous agate slice. I believe, I know agate is a crystal, and from what I've heard, I think some of these are painted, or at least they're kind of cut, so the pretty part of the stone is, you know, the slice. There are actual other parts of the stone that we often don't see. But from what I've heard from the unboxings, is, I mean, you could use this for anything you want, but I've heard that it can be used as a candle holder. Mine kind of looks more like an oval shape. I'm not entirely sure. It would have to be a smaller candle. But this is just, I love it. I'm so happy I got the blue one. This is absolutely stunning. So I'm really happy. It's one of the reasons why I love this box when I saw it. Another item I saw from the spoilers of this box is this beautiful candle. I just took the safety seal off the top and undid the wrapping. Daniel Stone Spiritu. It's a white tea ginger root. They seem to have a little bit of a scent theme, but this also smells amazing. I love the smell of white tea, and the ginger balances it out really nice. It's not overly strong. And let's take a look and see if it'll fit on my agate slice. Hopefully you guys can see that down there, but yes, it does look like it actually fits. Well, just like I thought, because the agate was more skinny, the candle does hang over the edge a little bit in the back here that I can feel. But I have a lot smaller candles that I could use, or I could use the agate slice for a ton more things, or I might just put it on display because it's gorgeous. But I love both of these products. Alright, next I'm picking up this Clinique liquid eyeliner. Not sure if you guys have realized this, but you've probably noticed I haven't unboxed any makeup boxes, and that's actually because I don't really wear makeup products much at all. I've never even really tried anything. I've worn nail polish once in my life as a kid, totally hated it. So this I will probably be gifting or putting aside for perhaps a future giveaway. Yeah, I won't be using eyeliner. But at Clinique, I'm sure is a good brand. I know it's been around for a while. So there's that. Next we have a Dove product. I was really excited to see a Dove product in the box. It's a body wash mousse. It's apparently new to the Dove line. It's got rose oil in it, so I'm curious to see how it smells. You can use it on your body. It says it's also great for shaving. It's basically at the bottom it says it's got a concentrated formula, and you can get 2 times the uses out of it. It says immerse yourself in a cloud of rich, creamy lather with rose oil, an indulgent and nourishing shower like never before. Instant relief from dry skin feel, 100% gentle cleansers, paraben-free, sulfate-free, suitable for showering and shaving, dermatologist tested. I use a lot of Dove products with sensitive skin. I really do love their products, so I hope that this is fun to use, and I love it's a huge, and again, like the Murad, it's a huge sample. Not even a sample, sorry, it's a huge full-size product. Wow, I need to be more observant. Right on the lid here, there's actually something that says scratch and sniff. So I did that, and it smells like a perfume. It's really heavy, although I think there might be a perfume bottle in here, so I don't really smell rose at all. If the scratch and sniff indicates what this smells like, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use this. This might be too strong. I do get migraines, and a lot of them are triggered by scents, so I have to be really careful. Fortunately, I didn't realize Dove used this much scent in their products, but like I said, it could have been nestled against something else. I'll have to see. Alright, the next item is actually the perfume that I thought was coming in it. It's Clinique Happy. It's a perfume spray. And again, I love the little box. The little box is really cute. I knew that there was a potential risk that I wouldn't be able to use this. But I figured it could be gifted potentially. I have some people in mind I might gift it to, or I could give it in a giveaway. But I'll take it a whiff and see what I think. Wow. I haven't smelled a perfume in a really good time, really long time. It's a good smell. It's just way too strong. I can almost smell the synthetic fragrance. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to use this at all. I spritzed it a little bit on my wrist, and I mean, it smells good. I mean, I can't really place what the smell is, but there's definitely that perfume, artificial type smell to it. I remember years ago, before I had migraines, somebody gifted me a perfume, and it kind of reminds me of that. The box has a hint of citrus and a wealth of flowers. Honestly, I don't really get any citrus, but I'm sensitive to floral smells, so perhaps the floral is just being very overpowering. I'm not too sure. The good news is that part of this might have been what was rubbing onto the dove smell, but the dove smell also smelled different, so I'll have to try the dove part in the shower. I don't want to spray that because it's a mousse. Let's see what that one smells like. Alright, here's the box. Now that I've got everything together and the perfume is settled a little bit, it's not overly bad. I mean, I definitely wouldn't want to wear it on a normal basis, but it's not as strong and perfumey as I originally thought. So as you guys could probably tell, the box started out really good for me, and then there were some items that, I definitely would gift. But hey, I mean, I know a lot of you would probably really love this box. You love perfumes and makeup, and some of these things would be right up everyone's alley. My favorite item, probably the candle and the agate slice. The agate slice is just simply gorgeous. I'm also really happy with this Murad product. The cleanser, it just smells really good. Nice and refreshing. And I love the artisan made tote as well. So again, there's that pattern. Really excited about this. I'm not into yellow colors as much. I'm sure there might have been different color options. I'm usually into more blues and greens, but the yellow, this brings me back to being on the Mexican border in the Rio Grande. I spent some time in high school in Big Bend National Park, which is right on the border, and there were artisans. This was before 9/11, and there were artisans on the other side. I'm sorry, this was after 9/11. It was right after 9/11, and there were artisans on the other side trying to sell us beaded necklaces, bracelets, like over the river. And I don't know what they expected us to like throw the money. It was maybe 12 feet across at the time, but had been flooding. It was totally dark, mud, brown water. They were trying to sell us their handmade products. I really wanted to buy some, but they had a bridge there, but once 9/11 hit, it was closed down. You used to be able to pay like $1 to go across and go into Mexico. But I don't know. There's parts of Mexico I would love to see it one day, but who knows? So there's my tangent ramble. Let me know what you guys think of this box. Let me know if you want to get it. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue for the fall. I need to look at some of the spoilers. I think I've seen more smelly products, and unfortunately if that continues, I won't be able to continue with this box because of the items that just smell too strong, or if there's too much makeup, I won't be able to continue either. Now, it was interesting when I signed up, I did take a survey about what types of products I liked. I said that I don't wear makeup, and I like my ears aren't pierced, things like that. But what I've seen so far from this summer and fall box is everybody getting the exact same items. So I'm guessing that the survey is more of just a general what can they put in future boxes, but I don't think there's any choice items. I don't think they're specializing each box. I think they're all the same at this point. Maybe in the future they're working towards individualizing it a little bit more, having some customizations, but that's just a guess. But I did let you know there is a survey that you do take. So anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.